NASA has released the sound of two black holes merger. Listen carefully. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, when two massive objects orbit each other, their relative speed and mass increases, while their distance decreases. Eventually, if their relative speed surpasses 60% of the speed of light, they will collide. This collision is known as Kilonova. It creates gravitational wave. This sound is the audio representation of this wave. For more information, check out our detailed video linked below, and don't forget to double tap on this video and subscribe to our channel, SkyMap.